Welcome. In front of me I have Alcatel U5 HD, and today I'm going to show you how we can add account to Google Play Store. So at the first, open Play Store, tap right here on the right upper corner, then click to add another account. And right now we are able to input our PIN code, our lock screen code, and after a few moments we will be also able to use our another account. So let's input your email, click on marker or the next, and right now we have to input your password. If you input your password, you have to click next and then tap here. And as you can see, after a few moments we are able to use another account in the Play Store. And if you want to switch between them, you have to simply click and then choose. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!